Hey, what is going on, guys? Back with another quick tip for you all. So I've been trying to change the speed of my clips in Adobe Premiere Pro, and normally I don't have any issues, but recently I came across an error. Usually I'd right click on one of my clips, click speed and duration, and then change the speed to whatever percentage I want. Now when I click OK, everything looks good, but as soon as I play back the footage, I get the error message in the bottom right hand corner there. And as you can see, the footage freezes up. This error also occurs when using time remapping as well. Luckily, there is a fix for this, so all you need to do is go to File, Project Settings, and click on General. Now where it says GPU Acceleration CUDA, you need to change this to Software Only. There seems to be a conflict between Premiere Pro and the graphics card acceleration feature, so just stick with the Software Only. Now click OK and your clip should be playing back error-free. To get rid of the errors log, just click on the red symbol in the bottom right hand corner, click Clear All, and you can close out of this window. Well, hope this helped you out. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Thanks for watching.